What if devices could explain themselves and take action without the internet, with clear and reliable voice guidance based strictly on their instructions and illustrated directly on the screen?
What tire pressure should I use when the car is fully loaded?
When the car is fully loaded with passengers and cargo, increase the tire pressure to 35 psi.
How do I stop the washer from shaking on the floor?
Laundry may be unevenly distributed. Stop the machine and redistribute the laundry.
How do I enable night mode on the chart plotter?
To enable night mode, open the display settings and select night color mode.
This is possible with neural networks running directly on a microcontroller. They allow the device to understand a spoken question and deliver a clear, reliable answer. This is not just voice search. It's a deterministic voice interface for devices, working offline within trusted knowledge and defined commands. It can both explain and act. Our system is built from 3 core blocks. First, speech-to-text converts a spoken question into text. Second, a deterministic, local, hybrid natural language understanding system and retrieval engine ensures the device only provides answers that exist in the official documentation and never invents information. At the same time, this block prepares the response, including text, images, and the control signal for the device. Finally, text-to-speech converts the prepared answer into spoken voice output for the user. Let's see how this works using a washing machine example. For this demo, we use the Alif Ensemble AppKit based on ARM Cortex-M55 CPUs and ARM Ethos U55 NPUs, designed specifically for AI workloads on microcontrollers. The AppKit is powered via USB. External speakers are connected to the board's audio output. The microphone is built in.
How to clean the drain filter?
Open the pump access panel. Place a container underneath. Unscrew the drain filters slowly to let water out. Clean the filters and the impeller. Tighten them back securely.
As you can see, the system can also display text and relevant images directly from the manual. But most importantly, it understands user intent, so you can simply describe what you need in your own words. Now, let's ask the same question a different way.
Steps to unscrew and clean the drain filter safely.
Open the pump access panel. Place a container underneath.
It works. And finally, the system not only understands your questions, it can also take action, executing commands and directly controlling the device. The process starts with raw text from speech recognition. A pre-processing layer filters out irrelevant phrases and background requests. Then, a domain-specific correction model restores terms according to the device vocabulary. Next, the intent router determines whether the request is a question or a command. If it's a question, the system generates an answer. If it's a command, it produces a control signal for the device. Let's test it.
Start the washing machine.
Okay, start the washing program.
The control signal lets you operate the device by voice, fully offline, without memorizing commands. This approach brings several key advantages. Privacy. Data about what the user asks never leaves the kitchen or the bathroom. Certification. Because the logic is deterministic and answers are retrieved from approved content, the system is much easier to certify against safety and compliance standards. Economics. No cloud APIs means zero operational cost for both manufacturers and end users after purchase. Follow us on LinkedIn to stay updated on the development of the system.